Hi, everyone. Welcome back from spring break. Today is Tuesday, and a lot has happened since last week. So, I kind of wanted to make a little video updating you on some new changes that we will have for this class for the fourth quarter. So, the first new thing is that we have put in folders in the remote learning folder for each week of material. So, you will see at the top of the Blackboard page a week that says the date of whatever week we're working in. So this week would be April 13th through 17th. You will need to click in there to now find all of the materials that you need for this week. So at the very top, you're going to see now a new format as to what you can expect through the week of our plans and your assignments or any assessments that you will be having. Those will be highlighted in our weekly plan. So you can kind of get a good idea on what we will be working on for the week. The district has made Wednesdays a pause day. These are days where we are not supposed to be teaching you any new instruction. However, it is not just a day off of school. In fact, I'm still pretty sure you're going to have to log in and do your attendance. So we'll get started with it this week, and we will give you a day to work on the assignment from Tuesday. So you will actually have 2 nights to work or complete on that assignment. Coming up on Thursday, what you're going to have is a test on 6162, law of sines and law of cosines. The assignment from Tuesday is going to review all that and get you ready for this little quiz. And on Friday, you are going to have a warm-up quiz. All of these tests and quizzes need to be completed and submitted by 3 p.m. And if that does not happen, they are forever going to be a 0 from now on. Also, within those folders, you will see your daily objectives, just as I've been posting since we started our at-home learning. So you can already see today's objectives. You probably already found it because that gave you the YouTube link for this video that you're currently watching, but I will still do this every day. You will have a new list of objectives, and I'll put all the links for all the things that you need in there. I think that all of that in one place has been working pretty well for all of you. Now, as for asking teachers questions, so we tried the Google Doc and I tried making videos. Some of you have been sending me emails and asking me questions. And to be honest, it's just like I'm on call 24/7. So I need to change for my own sanity how I'm going to take questions from you. And the math office hours are now always going to be from noon until 1 p.m. We're going to do office hours A and B days. They're not mixing up the A or the B day time. So I am always 12 to 1 p.m. The only way I'm going to answer your questions regarding math is going to be on Blackboard Collaborate. You can still email me questions, but if it's something that I think that I need to answer by showing you the work, I'm probably going to say tune into Blackboard Collaborate and I'll answer your question then. So at noon every day, I will be there waiting for you. If by about 12:15 nobody has showed up, then I'm probably going to log off for the day too. So you need to be there at 12 noon if you have any questions. Fourth quarter grading is going to change as well. We are going to do assessments only. That means tests and quizzes on Blackboard. That's your only grades for the fourth quarter. I am not going to grade your homework. There will be no extra credit. So you will need to do your homework to learn the material for the assessments. This is going to be on you. That's your call. And if you choose not to do it, I guess I won't know. Assessments are always going to have this 3 p.m. deadline. There will be no makeups for any reason. The dates will be posted in the weekly plan, so make sure you know that you have a test day and you need to get up before 3 o'clock and take it. These days also will be on the Blackboard calendar that shows up when you log into Blackboard. And you will still have your weekly warm-up quizzes on Fridays. You will have test or quizzes on the curriculum that we're teaching, and we are still going to stick with the SAT and the ACT Blackboard questions through the rest of the year. And I guess that's about it. As you know, we're on a pass-fail system for the fourth 9 weeks. So that's kind of why these changes came to be, just to make things simpler for you and for the teachers. If you do have any questions about this, you can email me. And for the rest of today, you are to be working on your review for the law of sines and law of cosines quiz on Thursday. Talk to you all later.